Welcome to the channel. My name is Grant Tommy, helping you build your hot rod and your confidence without a ton of money here on Straight Six Fan. So today we're doing something a little bit differently. We are going to try to shoot this almost exclusively. Let's get some light in my face. There we go. On the DJI Osmo Action Cam. Because, well, for Christmas I got a little adapter so I can run my external mic. So hopefully this sounds better for you guys. But we are working on Project Ford Fairmont today. Got some minor things we want to address, and it's for one, we need to put antifreeze in the cooling system because it's just been water to this date. And the important part there, reason why we need to do that is, well, I want to be able to put the car out on the driveway for a little bit because of the Tacoma. Some big things coming for the Tacoma in 2021. So stick around till the end. You'll find out more about that. But yes, there's also some other things. As you remember from the last episode, we wouldn't shift into third gear, so I need to get this car spun around with the front of the car pointed out towards the driveway, so I can get under there, look at the transmission modulator, see if we can't figure that out. And then also my oil pressure gauge, the little adapter I have on the side of my engine block, I thought that was leaking at some point in time, and I thought I could do a better job reinstalling that, and so I tried that, and that made me need to reinstall the fittings on the oil pressure line. Well, looks like we've got an oil issue there. So after trying to manipulate the camera with the microphone on it to get that last shot you just saw, well, what I found out that happened is, well, I must have dorked around with the jack just enough to get it to not have a solid connection, and so all of the audio from the DJI Osmo Action Cam, what I was trying to exclusively shoot in all episode, well, it all went nowhere. So this is where you're supposed to see me telling you how I was going to O'Reilly's to pick up antifreeze, the flush cleaner, and taking back roads to get there so that I'd never have to get. Then you'd hear me talking about backing the car up into the garage so I could have more clearance to flush the radiator, and how I bought this package of miscellaneous fasteners so I could figure out a way to get the transmission kick down attached on the carburetor linkage. And then how I studied the control modulator on the back of the C4 and the vacuum lines, where it went from, where it goes to, and this little 3-hose juncture, and then talking about how I was going to experiment, seeing if hooking it up straight to manifold vacuum, if that would make any difference or help it out. And so then this is where you would have heard me talking about testing that out on a test drive, because I needed the flush cleaner to go through the system and run the heater for 10 minutes straight. And, well, ultimately I'd find out that no, I didn't find third gear on the transmission. Well, it was just time to drain the old water with the flush cleaner mixed in with it. And, well, you can see how gross that was. And then finally, I would end the episode telling you about what's in store for my Tacoma. The big news, kind of looking forward here into 2021 in a couple of days. You're going to see a lot more Tacoma content, and I was going to tell you about how with my bonus money I bought a set of new tires, and how for Christmas I got a rough country 2-inch lift kit, basically a leveling kit, new struts, 2-inch lift struts to level out the front of it. And there's only one other piece that I need to buy still, which I actually purchased here today, Monday, on my lunch break, some JBA upper control arms. So it's going to be a complete suspension overhaul in the front of the Tacoma. So sorry about the change in format, we've tried something new and we failed. So that's something I'm going to have to be cognizant of, is making sure that adapter works. I've never lost audio for a complete episode like I have today, or this go around this week. But we do have some big things in store for 2021. Not only the Tacoma, but reminder, Car Guy and Six Fan Show debuts the first Thursday of January in 2021 with Season 5. of the hit Automotive Talk show that myself and Old Car Guy put on up over there. So go make sure you go check out some of the great guests we had in season 4. I'm gonna leave that up over here, as well as maybe another video you might like. Otherwise, like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't care which one you do, as long as you do one. That really helps out. That's gonna do it for this episode. Until next time, peace out.